don't think whatever you're used to at home. Like, try new foods. Maybe you haven't tried, like, I don't know, some, I don't know, I can't get out of my head, exotic food, but yeah, basically that, and then try activities you've never done before, and you want to meet people who you've never would have thought to hang out before with, and all that kind of stuff. I think getting out of your mold is probably will teach you the most.
I'd say don't let the fire burn out. So like you got into college, but you should keep that fire going because the name of the school won't mean anything if you just go to school. No, keep it like don't just because you got into school X, it's over. I can do whatever I want. Keep the fire going. It's what you do there that's gonna matter the most.
Yeah, I think same thing. Break out of your shell, and it's really a time for you to try new experiences. So pretty much the same thing.
What would you do?
Zen.
I can give a punchline.
I think you are all wrong. So the most important thing you need to do is call your parents.
ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே ஞாபகம் வருதே பொக்கிஷமாக நெஞ்சில் புதைந்த PSG நாட்கள் ஞாபகம் வருதே.
Hello. People have paid to watch tech music perform. கஷ்டப்பட்டு சேர்த்த கூட்டம் அரஸ், நீங்க பாட்டு இப்படி பாடி கலச்சிராதீங்க.
டிக்கெட் வாங்கி வந்திருக்காங்களா? எவ்வளவு பேருமா?
இல்லையா பின்ன?
எதுக்கு?
நம்ம PSG மியூசிக் ஃபார் மியூசியம் ஈவென்ட்க்கு தான்.
அப்படியா? நம்பவே முடியலையே.
நீங்க கேக்குறத பார்த்தா நம்ம என்னமோ ஆம்வே இல்ல O4P ஏதோ சேர்த்த கூட்டம் மாதிரி இல்ல கேக்குறீங்க. இது உண்மையாவே PSG மியூசிக் ஃபார் மியூசியம் ஈவென்ட்க்கு உலகமெங்கும் இருந்து வந்திருக்க PSG மக்கள் தான் அரஸ்.
அப்படியா? பரவாயில்லையே. வெல்கம் எவ்ரிவான். எவ்வளவு பேர் இருட்டில் யாருமே தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. எவ்வளோ பேர்? how many of you are from out of town? கை தூக்குங்க பாப்போம். yeah right. So how many of you are from out of town? Okay, ஒரு அளவுக்கு நல்லா தெரியுது. Oh, thanks for the lights. Okay, good. We are very happy that so many people came from out of town.
How many of you from 99 or earlier graduating batches? 99 or earlier? Hello, நான் தான் 99 batch. இங்க முக்கவாசி டேபிள் கை தூக்கணும். அதோ அந்த டேபிள்லாம் ஃபுல்லா கை தூக்குங்க.
Okay, so எவ்வளவு பேர்? how many of you are from 2000 and later? 2000 later. கொஞ்சம் எந்திரிச்சு நிக்கிறீங்களா? Can you stand up please? 2000 later.
இங்க பாருங்க திருமாறன் நிக்கிறாரு.
Okay, அப்படியே இருங்க. உங்க பேர்லாம் எழுதிக்க போறோம். ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு வந்து என்னையோ இல்லை வேற யார் 2000 முன்னாடி கிராஜுவேட் பண்ணவங்களே யாரையாவது பார்த்து நீங்க அங்கிள் ஆண்டின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா இனிமேல் ஃபியூச்சர் ஈவெண்ட்ல விடவே போறதில்ல. So just keep that in mind, okay? Okay, so மலாய், அது வந்து டாக்டர் ராதாகிருஷ்ணன் நாயரா?
ஆமா, டாக்டர் நாயர் வந்திருக்காருல்ல.
ஓ, டாக்டர் நாயர்னு தான் எனக்கு ஞாபகம் வருது. அவர் எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் நான் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி லேபுக்கு முன்னாடி உட்காந்துருப்பேன்னா எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் என்னையும் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸையும் சிசிக்கு கூட்டிட்டு போக சொல்லுவாரு.
அதுல என்ன அரஸ், என்னையும் தான் சிசிக்கு போக சொல்லுவாரு.
அப்போ நீ கம்ப்யூட்டர் சென்டர் போயிருக்கியா?
சிசினா கம்ப்யூட்டர் சென்டரா? நான் காலேஜ் கேண்டீன்ல நினைச்சேன்.
அது சரி. பாரு, அவர் கோச்சுக்கிட்டாரு. உன்னை ப்ரோக்ராம் முடிஞ்சோன்னு வர சொல்றாராம். ஏதோ என்கொயரி போடணுமா?
என்கொயரிலாம் நிறைய பார்த்துருக்கோம், அதை விடுங்க அரஸ். சரி, நம்ம இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டுக்காக எக்ஸிபிஷன் கான்டெஸ்ட் ஒன்று நடக்குதாமே, அப்படியா?
ஆமா, டிசைன் கான்டெஸ்ட் ஒன்று இருக்கு. பட் அதெல்லாம் PSG டெக் அலுமினைக்கு மட்டும்தானே.
என்ன நீங்க சொல்றத பார்த்தா நான் அலுமினை இல்லையா?
உன்னோட யூனிஃபார்மை பார்த்தா ஏதோ இந்த வாஷிங்டன் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல இருந்து லஞ்சுக்கு வந்த நர்ஸ் மாதிரி தெரியுது.
அங்க மட்டும் என்ன வாழுதான்? ஜிஃபி லியூப்ல 1 hour பர்மிஷன் போட்டு வந்த கார் மெக்கானிக் மாதிரி இல்ல இருக்க.
சரி, நீ டெக் அலுமினைன்னு ப்ரூவ் பண்றதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் PSG பத்தி क्वेश्चंस எல்லாம் கேக்குறேன். அதை வச்சு நான் உன்னை நீ அலுமினையா இல்லையான்னு கண்டிப்பா சொல்ல.
தாராளமா கேளுங்களேன்.
என்கிட்ட எப்போதும் क्वेश्चंस நிறைய கையில ரெடியா இருக்கு.
அடேங்க அப்பா.
சரி, PSG-ல பிரிக்க முடியாதது?
கேண்டீனும் கடலையும்.
பிரிய கூடாதது?
சோஷியல் டேயும் டெக் மியூசிக்கும்.
சேர்ந்தே இருப்பது,
சேர்ந்தே இருப்பது லேடிஸும் பழமுதிர் நிலையமும்,
சேராதிருப்பது,
மெக்கானிக்கலும் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸும்,
மறக்க நினைப்பது,
நம்ம ஹாஸ்டல் கிச்சடி பொங்கல்,
மறக்க முடியாதது,
கண்டிப்பா ஃபைனல் இயர் ஃபேர்வெல்,
பார்க்க கூடாதது,
லேடிஸ் ஹாஸ்டல் என்ட்ரன்ஸ்,
பார்த்து ரசிப்பது,
அதுவும் லேடிஸ் ஹாஸ்டல் என்ட்ரன்ஸ்,
மறவாதிருப்பது,
பிஎஸ்ஜியில் ஜிஆர்டி நினைவுகள்,
மாறாதிருப்பது,
டெக்ஸிஐடி சண்டைகள்,
கலையில் சிறந்தது,
டிராமாட்டிக்ஸும் போட்டோகிராஃபி கிளப்பும்,
நாடகம் என்பது
ஸ்கிட்டும் மைமும்,
அழகுக்கு,
ஃபேஷன் பரேட்,
பாட்டுக்கு,
டெக் மியூசிக்,
சொல்லுக்கு,
தமிழ் மன்றம்,
ஜொல்லுக்கு,
நேச்சர் கிளப்,
ரெகுலருக்கு,
நீங்க,
சாண்ட்விச்சுக்கு,
நான்
ஆஹா ஆஹா நீ டெக் அலுமினியா தான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன்.
பரவாயில்ல. அரஸ் நான் அலுமினை தான். நீங்க என்ன பேட்ச்?
நான் 91 ப்ரொடக்ஷன். நீ?
நான் 99 சாண்ட்விச் மெக்கானிக்கல்.
சரி நம்ம ஈவென்ட்டுக்கு போலாமா? எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப போர் அடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
கண்டிப்பா கண்டிப்பா. We are truly excited to welcome everyone here for such a wonderful sold out event. We take extreme pride in being part of the event team. We want to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our guests from Coimbatore and alumni and their family and friends that have traveled from near and far. So before we get started, there's a couple of things we want to talk to you. Let's call them house rules. Aras?
So we only have 2 rules, but it's important that we request you and you help us by cooperating. The first one is we made excellent arrangements to get you all seated as part of tables. So hopefully you're all happy sitting with your friends. But we know there may be a few people that we weren't able to accommodate, and you might be tempted to get up and move. It's okay to get up and move, especially between songs and break. Just don't carry the chair with you. We just ask that don't leave the chair in the middle of the aisle or leave it scattered around, so because the waiting staff has to get to your table to serve you and take care of you. So we ask that get up and move, but leave the chair where you are. The second thing is, I know a lot of you have checked in your kids in the activity area. They're really very happy there. I know you are tempted to get up every 10 minutes to go and check on them, but trust us, they really don't want to be bothered by you. So if you want to go and check on them, that's fine. Every time you go in, you have to sign in, check in, go check out, and if you're happy to do it, go, feel free to. But just forget them, and they're having a good time, so relax and enjoy yourself. And last but not the least, I'm also happy to announce that PSG Alumni has really raised up to the occasion and solved the Bay Area's rain problem. So we should give you all a big hand of applause. எப்படின்னா I remember the 2011 alumni event. It poured that night when we had the Diamond Jubilee event, and I think it was pouring yesterday too. So we were hoping it would pour tonight. So because in the dialogue ready பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தோம். So but அதுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி மழை பெய்யல. But இருந்தாலும் it's okay. So it looks like it rains every time we try to meet. So I guess that means we have to meet more often.
I think we can solve that problem.
Okay, so again a warm welcome to everybody. Let's move on to the main show. Before we get to the tech music part, we have our guests from Coimbatore. We want to introduce them to every one of you. So I ask Harini to come up and introduce our first guest.
Welcome everybody.
Thank you, Aras and Malay, for that awesome intro. We had a really good time remembering all the memories from PSG Tech, right from Ladies Hostel to the Dramatics Club. I'm Harini from 2007 ECE, and I'm very honored to introduce Mr. L. Gopalakrishnan, our Managing Trustee from PSG Sons and Charities. He is a proud PSG alumni himself, and he takes a very active part in various trusts and events. And I won't bore you with more stuff. There are a lot of things on the slide. I take great pleasure in inviting him to the stage. Welcome, sir.
very good evening to the distinguished alumni, their family members, spouses, dear friends, and the faculty members, the heads of institutions from various institutions. Good evening to all of you. I'm delighted to be to participate in this Music for Museum program, which has taken quite some time to organize. You all have been going through lots of effort. I heard and I know, I saw yesterday. It was a wonderful effort. The strength of any institution is the alumni. That way, PSG is very fortunate to have the best alumni base all over the world. And the American Alumni Association is very strong. We are very happy about it. You are our torchbearers. We are very happy that all of you all are here. I will only take 10 minutes. We'll go to the music program soon after a few of us say a few words. The PSG and Sons Charities, as most of you all will be aware, was started in the name of P.S. Govindasamy Naidu, who said, "Let there be charity so others can share my family's prosperity." His 4 sons, PSG Venkateswamy Naidu, PSG Rangasamy Naidu, PSG Ganga Naidu, and PSG Narayanasamy Naidu, started the trust in their father's name, namely PSG, in the year 1924. And today it has grown to have so many institutions, about 24 institutions and about 30,000 students with about 5,000 faculty members. And it's grown to this level because of alumni like you. There are many schools nurtured by the PSG and Sons Charities. Mostly all these schools, except the PSG Public School, are all corporate social responsibility initiatives, I would say. We are almost spending about 1.5 crores every year on all these schools. Besides the fees and all that, we are spending on CapEx and things like that. PSG Public Schools is, of course, one of the most recent institutions which is self-supporting. And next. Sorry. We have the PSG College of Technology and Polytechnic, which they both together have about 10,000 students, 560 faculty members, etc., etc. Last year, we got the Best Institution Award from AICTE and CII constituted award. The best mechanical department was the best department, and Mr. Mondram got the best faculty award. Our principal, Dr. Rudramurthy, received the award on behalf of the institutions. He will be telling you a little more about it when he comes to the dais. PSG the College of Arts and Science is an autonomous and NIC accredited institution. It's got excellence by UGC and a star college status. This is the details about this college, and this is one of the biggest arts and science colleges in South India. Am I right, Dr. Rajan? In India, that's good. So Dr. Rajendran also is here. He's the principal of the College of Arts and Science. He'll be saying a few words about his institution also. Next, please. And of course, the medical institution is the most recent amongst the PSG institutions. And it is about 26 years old. and it is most sought after the medical school in our area. We have MBBS 150 intake, and we have 25 postgraduate programs also with the 75 intake. Next, please. And the hospital, of course, is the biggest with about 1,000 beds currently. We treat about 5 lakh outpatients a year, almost about 1,500 registrations per day. It is the biggest hospital, and we are going for a massive expansion program there also. We are putting up almost 8 lakh square feet of building space for wards and consultation. We have all the paramedical institutions, PSC College of Pharmacy, Nursing, Physiotherapy. Next, please. In the Institute of Management, we have various programs, MBA with Anna University, UT, University of Toledo MBA program. We also have a German MBA program with the Hof University with the 25 intake, which is one of the successful programs, though it is only 3 years old. We are doing very well there also. We have a PGDM program with a 60 intake. The director of the management school, Mr. Nandagopal, is also here. He'll be saying a few things about the institutions. And Dr. Radhakrishnan is also here, who heads the Institute of Advanced Studies with various programs. He's also here to speak a few words on that. I won't take much time. I'll leave the rest for all the institution heads to say. About the CSR activities, there has been a lot done in the recent. We have a Manavar Illam, which is an orphanage for parentless students, and we are supporting about 100 students by giving them accommodation, education, clothing, everything is taken care of till they want to study. They can go up till postdoctorate, but we still support them with everything. And then we also offer scholarships in all the institutions. We, of course, conduct medical camps. Free medical treatment in the hospital is necessary for a teaching hospital, so therefore we have free medical treatment. Then we've also gone green in the recent past by going solar. About 30% of all our power needs are solar generated. And then the recent addition is the Vishnu Granthi, which is a school for special children, which we have started recently, about a year back. We have about 20 children registered. We also want to increase the number of children. We want to increase the number of schools all over Coimbatore also. So those are our CSR initiatives. So with these few things, I would request the IAS Director, Mr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan, to say a few words about the initiatives. Thank you very much. It is our pleasure being here. We are honored to be here. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Miller, 2002 EEE pass out. I'm really honored to introduce Dr. Rajendran, the principal of PhD College of Arts and Science, He's also an alumni from the same college. Dr. Rajendran has published more than 100 articles and also contributed to more than 8 books. He has won numerous awards, including the Best Citizen Award in 2012 from the International Publishing House. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Rajendran to share a few words with us. Thank you.
Our most respected Managing Trustee of PSG institutions, Mr. Gopalakrishnan, the heads of the institutions of the PSG, PSG College of Technology, PSG Institute of Advanced Studies, PSG Institute of Management, and my dear, illustrious, and most shining alumni of the PSG, especially PSG Tech. A very good evening to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you, especially this wonderful evening, which we have been looking for a long time. And in fact, I wanted to just highlight a few of the words about the PSG College of Arts and Science. And as you all know that, PSG College of Arts and Science being the first college, higher level institution which was started by PSG way back in 1947, and then now it has been grown in leaps and bounds into various levels, and now it has been designated based on the statistics recently that this PSG College of Arts and Science is said to be the biggest arts and science college in India according to UGC, with the maximum number of students, where you can find our strength is now nearing 10,000 with 56 departments, 18 research departments, and 450 faculty, and then we have another 450 supporting staff also to be present in our college. And if you look into that of the accreditations and the milestones that the college has crossed over the period of time, you can find that the PSG College of Arts and Science has been recognized recently by the Department of Biotechnology of the Government of India as the star college, of which only 3 colleges in India has been selected for this coveted position, of which PSG College of Arts and Science is said to be the only college in South India which has got this recognition. And there are many other type of criteria that PSG College of Arts and Science is now trying to gain. And I am sure that this gathering, when they wanted to have the alumni meet at the San Francisco, in fact, I wanted the PSG CAS alumni also to join this, and then maybe we had a few database with me about the people who have been living in and around San Francisco, and we shared with the organizers here, and then they have done it, but I do not know how many from PSG CAS has turned up today, but still, what I feel in future is that even this type of alumni meet, which is taking place in the various parts of the United States, should be as the PSG alumni, irrespective of whether they belong to PSG Tech or PSG CAS, or whether they belong to PSG IMSR, or whatever the type of the institutions that have been coming under the banner of PSG. So this in turn will strengthen the whole alumni which have been present in the case of the United States, so that we'll be able to do much more activities, and then we'll be able to show the strength of PSG even in the case of your United States. And coming to today's program, I'm very happy, and first of all, let us all applaud the organizers in a big way that who have taken up such a good initiative, because you need few persons who have to dedicate some time, and then who will be able to put in a lot of motivation, inspiration, and hard work, so that they'll be able to make such a good arrangements. And in fact, we have been traveling from the India, and our managing trustee specifically wanted me also to join this group, being the first time I'm flying to US, but I'm more delighted to see a very big group of our PSG people sitting over here, which in turn itself is giving me a motivation that in future we should have much more bigger hall with bigger number of the participants and the persons who are going to get associated. So I'm very happy, and I'm sure that every alumni of PSG, every alumni of PSG Tech who have been settled down in US should try to contribute, and at the same time, what I feel is that we should always be the brand ambassadors of PSG, whereby you'll be able to spread the message, and then you'll be having the marketing, and not only this, the name of PSG to always be in a higher position in a global level. And finally, I would like to congratulate and I wish this team of the alumni of PSG Tech and the other PSG institutions should come up well, and then wishing you all the best of the best in the case of the US, and with a healthier, wealthier, long life in US, and coming back to the top of our country and contributing for the development of PSG institutions. So thank you for the opportunity, and once again, I congratulate all the organizers for making this event as one of the most successful and wonderful event that has been present. So thank you all.
Good evening, everybody. I am Prabhu Venkatesh. I'm from 1985-88 Applied Sciences batch. I'd like to introduce Dr. Rudramurthy, who is the current principal of PSG College of Technology and Polytechnic. He has around 80 papers and 5 books to his credit, and his areas of expertise include heat transfer, computational fluid dynamics, refrigeration and air conditioning, and finite element analysis. I take pleasure in inviting him onto the stage. Principal, sir.
Friends, good evening to all of you. We are extremely happy to be here with you today evening. And we know that the alumni in the United States are very eager to participate in this event. I was told that it's overbooked, and we are very happy that it is organized for the purpose of Dr. GRD's museum planned at Coimbatore, PSG GRD Museum for Science and Technology. And about PSG Tech, we are doing well. You might have seen that we are ranked number 11th in the country, though we were one